Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best clay bars in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best clay bars that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Mother's California Gold Clay Bar System. Like Meguiar's, Mother's is another household name in the car care industry. Its California Gold Clay Bar System is a popular option, especially due to its price. This kit comes with a pair of 100-gram fine clay bars, a bottle of Mother's Instant Detailer, and a microfiber towel. Like Meguiar's, you won't be able to choose what grade clay bar you're getting with this product, since Meguiar's and Mother's both are marketed towards the general consumer. If you know which grade clay bar you want and it's not what Meguiar's or Mother's have to offer, you'll have to choose another one of our recommendations. Again, for most people it's difficult to find a noticeable difference in terms of performance between any of our recommendations. The only major difference is that some brands offer a selection between grades, so you can get optimal results based on the quality of your car's surface. But honestly, if you have a preferred brand, go with it. Moving on at number 4, we have the Meguiar's Smooth Surface XL Clay Kit. There's a very good chance you've heard of the Meguiar's brand if you've ever shopped for car care products, and it's a surprise to no one that it too offers a quality clay bar kit. You can buy just the clay bar or a complete kit that comes with 3 80-gram fine clay bars, a bottle of Meguiar's Quick Detailer, a microfiber towel, and a case for the clay. If you have had great results with Meguiar's products in the past and are happy with the brand, you can't go wrong with this option. As I mentioned earlier, you can expect very similar performance from any of our recommendations, since they all come from reputable brands. I've had great experiences using this clay bar kit from Meguiar's and would recommend it to anyone. At number 3, we have the Griot's Garage Paint Cleaning Clay. There are some professional detailers who only use Griot's Garage products, and for good reason. The brand has been providing the car care industry with some of the best products on the market, and its paint cleaning clay will make quick work of all those contaminants on your car's surface. Again, you can choose from either just the clay bar or getting an entire kit with Griot's Garage Speed Shine. Unlike our 2 previous recommendations, however, Griot's Garage gives you a single large 226-gram bar that is capable of cleaning up to 7 vehicles. The company also has a synthetic clay bar if you are looking for a faster option that's easier to use. At number 2, we have the Adams Clay Bar Jar Kit. Adams Polishes is well known for its quality car detailing products, and its lineup of clay bars is no different. If you already have some detailing spray lying around, then you can purchase just the jar kit and save yourself a few bucks. But if you need detail spray, opt for the complete kit. No matter which one you choose, you'll get a pair of 100-gram clay bars, medium grade, to work those contaminants out of your paint. Adams does offer a fine clay bar as well. From my personal experience, I found this clay bar really easy to work with, and while Adams does recommend its own detail spray, of course, you don't necessarily need to use that specific product. Any bottle of quality quick detailer will work. Just make sure you keep the surface of your car well lubricated when using the clay bar. And finally at number 1, we have the Chemical Guys Clay Bar and Luber Synthetic Lubricant Kit. When it comes to having a competitive price, delivering great performance, and available in a wide variety of options, not much can beat Chemical Guy's lineup of clay bar kits. You can choose from heavy, medium, or light, fine, depending on just how rough your car's surface is. And each kit comes with a 16-ounce bottle of clay luber. Most people will want to opt for the medium or light clay bar. unless their car's clear coat is particularly contaminated. Chemical Guys uses what it calls flex clay technology to make its clay bar easy to use, while efficient in removing all those contaminants from your car's surface. It's also great to use on any glass, plastic, or metal surface on your car that needs some cleaning. It's the product I mainly use when I have to clay bar my car, but honestly, all the ones on this list are very similar.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.